Yeah, I'm not. Uh, there we go. Now we're live. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back for another stream. This is episode 10, I believe, for Crypto Update. My name is MikeCesSr. For those of you who are new, please hit that subscribe button, that like button, turn on post notifications, share this if you find value, and you know, sit back, relax, and enjoy some TA. You know, it's a Monday night, Monday evening. Everybody's just getting out of work. JR, what's up, my brother? How you doing? New sub from Mitch Ration. Awesome, man. That's incredible. Bringing people over from Mitch's channel is an honor. You know, I look up to that guy, man. He's incredible, and you know, being a viewer, you know that, JR. I think I've had some conversations with you in chat. I think it was about BitMEX, if I'm not mistaken. So anyway, yeah, I mean, you know, I've been kind of out of the scene the last couple of days. I haven't been streaming as much, and there's reasons for that, you know. Like I said in my previous videos, I'm just trying to get better with my TA. And you know, I'll provide you guys with the TA that I know, and that's all I'm gonna do. You know, your basic supports, your resistances, your you know, your buy entries, your sell points, you know, and kind of what to look for when you're purchasing a coin, whether it's a swing trade, a day trade, or I try to stay away from scalping, so that's not a type of style that I really you know, talk about too much, is scalping, because it's just something I don't do. But let's just dive right in. What time is it? It's almost 4:15. We'll take a look at Bitcoin. I guess we can get rid of this head and shoulders here. It did play out. I want to get rid of these Bollinger Bands because that's not something I usually use, but I was showing somebody how they worked the other day, so I ended up throwing them on. So I want, but real quick before we do close out of the 24-hour chart, I just want you guys to notice something, that on the 24-hour chart, I mean, we bursted straight up to the 200 EMA on BTC USD, and that is on Coinbase. Now, the reason why I like looking at Coinbase coins opposed to Bittrex or you know, Binance or any of the other top, you know, exchanges, is simply because most of the new fiat, most of the new currency from the market comes in from Coinbase. You know, the average investor, the new investor. You know, I had somebody here the other day who was new to investing, and we had a meeting, and you know, we sat down, and the first thing they asked was, how can I get Bitcoin? Like, where do I go? And you know, they answered their own question by saying it's Coinbase, right? And I mean, where else in the States are you gonna go buy, you know, 5,000 or even a Bitcoin? You know, because I know in my area in the East Coast, we don't have Bitcoin ATMs. I know they're around, but we don't have them around here. And until they're more widely spread, you know, the only way that you can buy them is by going through Coinbase or going by another. I know Abra. I mean, there's a couple of new ones that are starting to come out, but mainly Coinbase is the top exchange that people are going through to purchase their cryptocurrency. So that's a big reason why I look at that chart. But anyway, you can see here that we're battling with this 200 EMA, and I just don't think we're quite ready to make that cross over above the 200 and move our way up to the $8,000 mark. I could be wrong, man. I could be completely wrong, and you know, tonight we could bust right through. I mean, on the 24-hour, we're getting a crossover of the 15 straight over the 55, which is, I mean, to me, extremely bullish. The RSI, even on the 24-hour, is extremely oversold. We got, I mean, we definitely have some bullish diversions going on. So, you know, at this point, I guess we could say that it is looking more bullish than bearish. But for some reason, you know, I don't know. Let's take a look at the 4. Maddie, what up? JR Riggs, how are you? Maddie, what's up, man? So, this is funny. All right, so I guess, I don't know if this is, I don't know if that's actually where the, yeah, it must be. This must be where the 200 EMA is on the 24-hour chart. So let's mark that. We'll go like that. We'll go like this. We'll go like that, and we'll go. Yeah. So that there's our 200 EMA, right? So until we get a break above that, I do see some consolidation starting to occur. And you know, a lot of people have been calling me and asking me if I'm going short. Any good news? Not really, man. I mean, we could take a look at that. As far as news, I mean, we'll take a look. Bitcoin news. I don't think anything substantial has came out. I do know that Nulls is paired with Nulls is paired with USDT now on Binance. And I want to get your thoughts on that whole situation. On how many pairings is Binance going to USDT pair with? Like, how many coins are they going to pair with USDT? You know, because to me that's taking away value from BTC. You want to buy more BNB, Maddie? I don't blame you, man. You know, at these prices, I mean, BNB to USD. Let's take a look. We got it sitting at $11.94. How could you not want to buy more BNB? I've said it in previous videos, man. I honestly think that BNB is going to be the biggest mover of the year. Now, I could be completely wrong, and I could be eating shit at the end of the year, you know, but I do think it's possible. Like I've said in many streams, in order to dig for gold, you need a shovel. And that shovel is Binance. You know what I mean? That shovel is KuCoin. That shovel is Poloniex. That shovel is GDAX and Coinbase Pro. My God, that's so cliche. What am I saying? But it's true. You know what I mean? Even Neo. You know what I'm saying? Like a $32 Neo. Maddie says for sure BTC affected when no longer used as main trading pair. Exactly, man. Like, so my what I'm confused about, right, is why is Binance allowing all these coins to be tethered with USDT? Because that's completely wiping the value of Bitcoin. The volume, the overall volume of Bitcoin is changing because nobody is no longer hedging their money in Bitcoin when an altcoin shits the bed. They tether their coins. They don't fall down with the ship as the ship is falling. Maddie, you want to take a look at waves? Is that what you're saying, bro? Alright, so waves, we are sitting at $2.72. We're actually forming a nice little wedge pattern right now that I'm actually, I'm not really too So we have this is the thing that scares me about waves, Matt. Is look at that volume. We have very little volume. Not sure about waves yet, but a lot of people in my ear. So are you saying a lot of people in your ear are saying get waves? Because from what I'm seeing right now, waves is, I mean, look at the gap. Look at that gap in volume. I wish I could say something right now. Like, I have something to say that I want to say so bad, but I can't for political reasons. And it just wouldn't be good. It wouldn't be good. It wouldn't be fair. But I have so much to that I want to tell you guys, and I can't. And it sucks, man. It sucks. But this whole wave situation, you know, is something that use your own judgment. Devs saying they are liking the platform to build on. Devs? Who's devs? But let me get this straight, Maddie. Anybody can go on Waves and build any crypto, correct? Like, we can go on Waves right now. Hey, look, it's the Crypto Man. I should probably get off because I don't want to interfere with his live stream. If I could short Waves, I would short it right now. Oh, the DApp developers, yeah. I'm going to do some research into that, you know? I mean, listen, if you can go onto a platform and create a coin just like that, you know, that's pretty interesting. But listen, let's wrap this up. Let's take a look at CoinMarketCap real quick. Tonight we're going to go live, bro. Guys, we're going to go live. We're going to go strong. 7 o'clock 8 o'clock Eastern time, we are going to deep dive into a bunch of coins, mostly coins that you guys want to take a look at. But for now, I just noticed that you know, somebody that I truly enjoy watching is going live right now, and I do not want to be live while he is live, as a sign of respect. So real quick, the top 10 movers of the day, we got Electronium sitting at 18.37% up, Bitcoin Private, MOAC, CryptoNex, GX Chain, Bitcoin Gold, Vertasium. I hate that company, and we can go into that more another time, but Vertasium is crap. Eternity, Monero, NEM, Wax, Bitcoin up 3.15%, basic attention token. Guys, let me leave it off with this. Let me in the comments below, let me know what you guys think. ADA, basic attention token, Zcash, XLM, and one other one. What was the other one? Help me out here. What was the other one that was getting listed to Bitcoin? Coinbase. Ethereum Classic. Guys, let me know which one you guys think has the best chance of getting listed to the exchange. And let me know what coin you would like to see get listed on the exchange. Guys, I never really knew how important it was to get likes on videos. For those of you who want to dislike this video, go ahead, man. That just means that you're watching. You're taking the time out of your day, and you're disliking my video, and for that, I'm grateful. So do what you got to do, man. Dislike, but obviously I would love for you guys to throw a like, share this video if you find some value. Let's try to get this community built to a point where this chat is completely flooded with, you know, and we could just have a lot of fun. You know, my TA is getting a lot better. I'm not using just basic trends and resist. You know, I'm really stepping it up a notch for all of you guys, because I want my TA to be notably, you know, a go-to within this crypto community space. So with that being said, thank you very much for everybody watching. Maddie, thank you so much, bro. Thank you. Tried Streamlabs, but not sure why the tip was not going through. It should. That's weird, man. I've had a few people tip before. I will double check on that though. But guys, thank you so much. Honestly, it means the world to me that you guys are tuning in. And let's build this community together. And you know, down the line, I'd like to, you know, start getting some admins, start getting, you know, really building a team within this community, because that is the point, and that is the reason why I'm doing this, is because I want to build a team. I think that we're in the ground floor of something very special right now, and with the right amount of people that have the dedication and the work ethic, you know, anything is possible. You honestly, man, you know, I know that this is a trader's market and not really a investor's market, but that's okay. Trade, you know, trade, make money, and take that money and invest it into outside entities that make you money every single day, like property, like stocks, like you know, there's so many things that you could do if you really strike it big. You know, and make $100 grand off of a $1,000 investment. You can take that $100,000 and put it into something in the outside world, that will generate you revenue every single day. And that's what I want to try to get my point across to each and every one of you. So, again, I'm rambling. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Maddie, I will look into that, bro. I'm not really sure why that is happening. Maybe this is something I can check for right now. The jar, tips and donations. Launch. Whoops. I don't know what that was. Yeah, it says I have an empty jar. I don't know. I don't really care, to be honest with you. I'm not doing this for the money. But I am very curious. But anyway, guys, take care. Have a good day. And I'll see you guys tonight, probably around like 8:30, 9 o'clock. All right? Thank you guys so much. It was a pleasure talking to you. Keep trading and make that money.